So excited. It's my favorite holiday day. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video, I am officially starting to share with you Christmas and New Year backdrops. I am so excited. This is my favorite season of the whole year, and I am so excited. And if you want to see how I made this backdrop, then stay tuned and let's get to it.
To start on your backdrop, you would need some poster boards. I bought the 3 packages of poster boards that has 10 poster boards in each package for a little over than $2, really good deal. And for your first Christmas tree, you would need to tape 4 poster boards together. That's going to be your first and the largest Christmas tree. What I need to do now is I need to trace out a Christmas tree, just a random branches, and don't forget about the stump over here. Is to change this backdrop into my gray fabric. When I'll do that, I'll be back. Alright, I am done changing my fabric, or I draped on top of the white, and I need to pin this Christmas tree right away on top of my backdrop because it's laying and it's on my way. So I will be pinning this Christmas tree on my pins with little pearls on top. First Christmas tree is up and hanging. Now I want to make one medium at about this high. I'm going to use 4 poster boards for my medium Christmas tree, and then one small, probably somewhere over here. We'll see how much or how many Christmas trees this backdrop can fit. And for my smallest one, I will be using 2 poster boards. So let's get this thing going. I am ready to draw out my second medium Christmas tree. And I added a tiny bit of scraps that I had from my big Christmas tree for the topper, or make my medium Christmas tree a little bit higher. So a tiny bit over there. I'm gonna trace it out, cut it out, and place it on my backdrop. What I have for you guys today. It looks beautiful. I love how easy this was to make, and it looks very simple and very pretty at the same time. I took 3 strings of Christmas lights and I draped some on the top of my backdrop. Then the rest of my Christmas lights, I laid them at the bottom of my backdrop. Looks beautiful, love it. This is how I pinned my Christmas lights. I just put this needle with pearl on top through the fabric, as you can see here, and I just hanged my Christmas lights on top. To attach my Christmas trees, I used the pins with pearls on top. I just spread them all over my Christmas trees to make sure it holds very well and very nice. Also, I used 5 poster boards for this Christmas tree and 4 poster boards for this Christmas tree, and just a little bit of scraps to make this top portion as well. Very nice. I can't tell you what gray fabric this is. I can't remember, and I don't know honestly. This fabric was given to me when I was helping with one of the weddings. I will share some of the pictures at the end of this video.
Alrighty guys, so in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this first Christmas backdrop. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments down below and I'll be there to answer. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to become a part of this fun channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.